Hello, everyone. Welcome to another assessment for our very intelligent CAA aspirants from LUM. We are still on diagnostics, and this time we conclude the diagnosis by interrogation or interviewing. Good afternoon, Ma'am Susan
Good
Valderrama.
afternoon, Doc.
Okay, number one, if you have a patient who comes in with lack of appetite, what is your initial impression?
Ah, Meron siya, Doc, na spleen chi deficiency or
Very good.
blood deficiency.
Okay. What are the two components of diagnosis by asking? General and specific.
Ah, yung for examination, Doc, yung sa foundation ng diagnosis, yung
Mhm.
inspection, palpation and inquiry, palpation, and then pattern differentiation yung sa 8 principles.
Okay. Asking po ito, interview. So, andito po, no? The first one is, how did the main or chief complaint arise? What was the
Yes.
cause? No? So, ibig sabihin, we need to actually ask the patient, ano ba nangyari? And iisipin mo ngayon, what caused it? Okay? Number two, the specific one, you have to start identifying the prevailing pattern. Um, if you remember, ginamit natin yung 8 principles for diagnosis. No?
Yes
So
po.
we would like to welcome you all for um, the patterns. No? Yan po, dyan po nagkakaalaman kung magaling ka talaga na practitioner. Okay? So use the 8 principles unless the external pathogenic factor is involved. Let's go to number 3. Can you list the steps for interrogation?
First is yung gather the basic information.
Okay.
Then the next is the 10 question, yung pattern code,
Mhm.
head and body, stool
Okay.
urine, food and drink, chest, hearing, thirst, all disease, causes. And then for women, yung as about the menstrual cycle. And for do sa mga kids naman,
Okay.
yung about the developmental factor ng bata.
Okay. The first step is main complaint. No? Sa chief complaint or main complaint lang ng pasyente, kailangan alam mo na yung differentials mo, yung differentiation. Second, you have to extract information that will confirm or rule out or exclude the presenting pattern. No? For example, alam mo na blood deficiency. Ano kaya? Is it blood deficiency or is it yin deficiency? So you start asking questions. Number 3, i-organize mo na ngayon yung presenting symptoms and signs into patterns. Presuming that meron ka ng pattern na tumatakbo sa isip mo. Okay? Then number 4, you exclude or rule out or confirm the presence of other patterns that may arise or stem from existing ones. Number 4, bakit po tayo nagta-tongue and pulse diagnosis? Ma'am Susan?
Apo. First, Doc, ay yung parang magkaroon yung tongue diagnosis ay mag-reflect yung internal organ health ng patient.
Mhm.
And then, na-assess siya if it is GL and blood flow. Uh, and then, ma-indicate siya if it is chi, blood flow, the color, the shape, the coating,
Mhm. Hmm.
and the show if it is excess or deficient pattern.
Okay. The first one, we're confirming the patterns or pattern or patterns identified from interrogation. No? Number 2, to see if other patterns are revealed na hindi obvious from the clinical manifestations. Okay? So again, if you're a clinician, does not do tongue and pulse diagnosis, you will have to look elsewhere. Ibig sabihin, hindi niya alam ang pattern. Okay? So, yan. Number 5, what interrogation format does Giovanni Machocha use in his practice?
Doc, ang nan ko dito ay yung comprehensive inquiry, Doc. Yung sa pain, food, stool, tears, sleep, sweating, mental, and sexual symptoms, Doc.
Okay. Actually, instead of the 10, ang ginamit niya 16. Okay, so you have the list here. Okay? Kaya mahaba-haba yung ating interrogation. Number 6. How would you characterize a pain na nanggaling po sa full condition? So, ibig sabihin, you have to compare this sa empty condition.
You may aggravate by pressure, Doc, pain that worsens when pressure is applied to the affected area.
Okay, pag pain nanggaling sa full, it is an intense pain, matindi. And then it's sharper, no? So, syempre, i-discuss mo din pain from empty condition.
Yung imbalance of chi.
Actually, ang empty or deficiency, ang pain doon is dull. Actually, hindi mo na halos mapansin kasi andun na sa'yo forever. And it is much less intense. Nakasanayan mo na, no? So empty deficiency condition, it's usually matagal na. Factors affecting pain. Let's start with empty condition.
Emotional stress, Doc.
Okay. Pag in-applyan mo ng pressure, nawawala, na-alleviate yung pain. So if you have a patient, sinabi niya, dito yung pain. Okay, apply ka ng pressure, nawala. Ay, maganda. Oh. If you take in food, na-alleviate yung pain. So that means empty siya talaga. And the type of pain is dull and lingering pain. Alam na natin yon. Hindi nawawala, pero dull lang siya. And bowel movement will aggravate the empty condition. Posture, the patient feels better lying down. So kung ikaw yung isang tao, medyo komportable ka mahiga na lang most of the time, dahil nawawala yung pain, excuse me, that's definitely empty condition. Onset ng empty condition is slow and gradual. And vomiting, pag nag-vomit ka, nag-aggravate yung pain. So that means it's empty. Nag-aggravate pag dumudumi ka, pag sumusuka ka. And better siya with rest. So ibig sabihin, nakahiga ka, naka-rest ka, nawawala yung pain. So that's empty condition or deficiency condition. What about full?
Kakaroon si Doc ng stagnation syndrome, deficiency syndrome, and equal syndrome.
Okay. If you apply pressure, na-aggravate yung pain. Kaya ayaw nila ng massage na madiin, no? And pag kumain ka, lumalala yung pain. Okay? The type of pain is sharp. Then pag dumudumi siya, na-alleviate. At saka the patient feels better sitting up. Kaya kung meron kang grabe yung pain mo, para ma-relieve, hindi ka humihiga. Umuupo ka. Okay? The onset is sudden, and if you vomit, na-alleviate yung pain. Okay? At saka, this is a very intelligent question, no? Tanungin mo yung pasyente, do you feel better pag nagumagalaw ka? So alam mo na it's full. Probably phlegm or dampness. Next. Pag cold naman.
Invasion of external cold, Doc, at saka yung consuming cold, yung food, nagkakaroon siya ng cold stagnation, cold dampness, cold deficiency, liver chi stagnation with cold.
Okay, pain dito is cramping, no? The type of pain sa cold is cramping. The temperature, pag naglagay ka ng heat, nawawala. Okay? So these are the things you have to ask. Does the pain, nawawala ba yung pain pag in-applyan mo ng hot compress? And then, pag dumudumi siya na-aggravate, pag sumusuka, dumudumi, sumusuka na-aggravate yung pain from cold, and they feel better when they move. Kaya if you happen to live in Antarctica or nasa New York ka ngayon na winter, kailangan mong galaw ng galaw. Otherwise, yun, sasakit lalo. Next, what about heat, madam?
Excess heat, yung severe pain inflammation, heat, chi stagnation, powerful extraction, damp heat, liver heat, blood heat.
Actually, the type of pain, pag heat, it's burning, nasusunog ka. And na-alleviate siya by applying cold compress. If you move your bowels and you vomit, the pain is relieved. So that's definitely heat. And pag nag-rest siya, nawawala yung pain. So that's heat. Okay, can you tell us the full conditions po? Ano-ano po yung full?
Sa full condition naman, Doc, we have the chi stagnation, blood stasis, dampness, cold. And then there is a secondary full. We have the phlegm, fire toxicity, blood heat, and chi and blood stagnation.
Okay, very good. Empty conditions.
We have the empty chi, deficiency of chi, empty yang, deficiency of yang, empty blood, deficiency of blood, empty yin, deficiency of yin.
Okay. True or false? Empty type of pain tends to be duller in nature than full.
True.
Very good. What are the most common causes of chronic pain in internal conditions?
Chi stagnation, Doc, and blood stasis.
Ano pa?
Deficiency of chi, blood, yin, invasion of external pathogen, internal organ imbalance.
Liver yang rising and cold, no? Okay. Paano mo nalaman na internal yung condition? By checking the pulse. Will the pulse be deep or will it be shallow or superficial?
Deep.
Very good. Organs affected by chi stagnation.
We have the liver stagnation, lung chi felt the sickness, chest, at saka head. Sa lung chi stagnation, pain sa chest, and then spleen, pain sa abdomen, and even limbs. Stomach chi stagnation, sa abdomen din po. And then heat chi stagnation, chest, and jaw, and neck is also included. Kidney stagnation, yung hips, lower back, tsaka knee. Then gallbladder chi stagnation at the right hypochondrium area beneath the right ribs.
Okay, the three top organs affected by chi stagnation are liver, stomach, and intestines. Example of chi stagnation.
Liver chi stagnation, if a person who is a constant stress, overwork, and struggle to express their emotion may experience liver chi stagnation. They might feel irritable, easily anger, experience tightness and pain on their chest, side, or heel, and head. And then the symptoms that could be manifest as frequent headaches, especially in the side of the head, menstrual irregularities, and even digestive issue like bloating or constipation.
What type of pain is found in chi stagnation?
Alam, Doc?
Distending pain. Example po ng blood stasis Or how do you describe?
Blood stasis is also known as blood stagnation. Sometimes yung sa menstrual irregularities ng women,
Mhm.
nagkakaroon siya Doc ng heavy painful period with clots, irregular cycle, or even ano ba tawag? Amenorrhea, absence of menstruation. Symptoms that could be accompanied by lower abdominal pain, dark or purplish menstrual blood, and a feeling of fullness or pressure in the pelvic area.
Okay. Organs affected by blood stasis.
Do kay Ma'am Chen, kay Doc Chen na po
Ay,
yan.
okay nung ba yun? Okay, thank you po. Maraming salamat. Congrats.
Thank you po, thank you.
Doc She, good evening. Good afternoon po pala. Can you continue, please? Can you continue? Okay, mukhang nagda-drive yata. Okay, Ma'am Trix, can you please take over?
Yes, Doc. Good afternoon.
Kasi alam ko pati module 4, sinagot mo na, di ba? Okay, ano po yung good afternoon? Organs affected by blood stasis.
Liver, the uterus, heart, the stomach, and the intestines.
Okay. This is important because kung nakita mo yung tongue niya, purple, or may mga purple spots, these are the organs that you will have to consider. Okay. Example of liver young rising.
Chronic headaches with a distending throbbing pain.
Okay. Do you have this headache before? Did you have?
No, never.
Okay, so hindi ka nag-liver young rising.
So far.
So this is supposed to be chronic, no? So if a patient comes to you, meron akong nagsa-throbbing, parang dirinig na niya yung tumitibok doon.
Yes.
Tapos nagdi-distend. Then you should also try to establish chronicity of the problem kung matagal na. No? Organs affected by cold, pinaka-popular.
Stomach, the uterus, and the intestines.
Brilliant. Example ng cold. Examples.
Aggravated by cold weather in cold foods or liquids and alleviated by the application of heat. Cramping, spastic pain.
So, kung kumakain ka ng malalamig or nasa cold weather ka, that's spastic pain, aggravate, no? So, can you imagine, cold na cold yun, okay? Examples of damp heat. Example of damp heat.
A burning pain with a feeling of fullness and heaviness.
Very good. Examples of external wind invasion.
Occipital headache and stiffness.
Okay. External dampness.
Pain in the joints or epigastrium.
Okay. So usually, pag external dampness, hindi pa involve yung organ. Sa channels lang, no? Sa mga tissues. Example ng retention of food.
Intense pain with feeling of fullness, more in children.
Phlegm.
Does not usually cause pain, but it may do so, especially in the joints, as in
Very good.
rheumatoid arthritis.
Rheumatoid arthritis. So yung mga may rheumatoid arthritis, most likely that's phlegm. Or nakatira ka malapit sa dagat. I have one patient, lumalala talaga yung rheumatoid arthritis niya pag doon pala nakatira sa sabi ko, lipat na lang kayo sir ng I usually babae.
I have that sa hands. I got it from my mom.
Does it make sense? Kung
yes, it's phlegmic. Yeah.
Kung lalo na kababa.
Pero di ba daw autoimmune disease?
Autoimmune. Hi, madam.
Yeah. Kasi dapat when you have autoimmune disease, ano bang autoimmune disease? You produce
No, wala.
you produce antibodies against your own tissue.
Yes.
So this is the trigger, yung dampness.
Dampness.
Okay? So,
Mm,
wag kang mag-ano sa mga dampness o masyadong malalamig. Tapos nakababad ka sa
I see.
bathtub mo ng matagal.
Na cold.
Hindi na ka sa
Cold.
bathtub. It's like last week, I think 3 days ago, nagbo-bloat na yung tiyan na pag doon pala siya sa dagat. Imagine 5 oras na nakababad sa. So sumikip na yung dibdib niya. Okay? I even had one patient 3 years ago. Very young, no? 35. Tumataas yung BP. Tapos pina-check ko yung heart niya, enlarged. So sabi ko, iwanan mo na yung boyfriend mo, tumira ka sa ibang lugar.
The question, what if yung nakababad ka pero warm water? Masama ka.
There are people kasi, like when you say autoimmune disease, so automatically,
Very sensitive.
oo, yun. So, pag warm water, mas maganda mag-warm water ka or
Warm water.
you keep your warm. Kasi hindi naman pwede, dapat balance yung mo eh. No?
Yes.
Or you drink warm ginger.
Warm
Dapat.
ginger.
Mhm. Saka hindi lang yung warm thing, pati yung mga pinagkakain mo. Yung iba, kunwari, vegetarian, ang dami naman puro
Yes.
naman vegetables with lots of mayonnaise.
Tapos mahilig pa sa cold drink.
Yes, cold. Magawa ng shake. Yun.
Ako ata before.
Okay. Mom tricks. Condition, what pattern is this? Narinig ka by eating.
Empty nature.
Okay. Parang ako yata ako. Okay. Aggravated by eating. Buti na lang hindi ito.
It's full.
Okay. Excessive hunger. Diagnosis.
Stomach heat.
Yeah. Stomach heat or stomach fire. Feeling of fullness.
Dampness or retention of food.
Very good. This is just a review, huh? Feeling of distension. The key word is distension.
Chi stagnation.
Very good. Sharp pain.
Blood stasis.
Tignan nyo, paliit na paliit yung ating mga words. Ako pakonti ng pakonti. Heaviness.
Dampness.
Very good. Hot drinks.
Cold pattern.
Okay. Cold drinks.
Heat pattern.
Great. Bitter taste. The whole day. Tuloy-tuloy.
Heat in the liver or the heart.
Okay. No.
The
Liver lang.
liver.
Liver lang talaga. Iba yung sa heart, ha? Full heat in the liver. Actually, I had a patient like that. Sumalangit ako ng kaluluwa niya. Medyo namatay na siya. Kasi hindi niya matake talaga. Mayroon ng iba. Kaya,
Meron talaga yung
ano,
heart attack.
you want to share?
No. Hindi, nabasa ko yun eh. Parang heartbreak, siya. Parang na heart attack because of heart broke.
Yeah, true. Very true. Yeah. Kaya at saka ito, like, usually the patient will not tell if you won't ask. So, if you see something sa tongue niya, tapos grabe yung, grabe, how would you characterize the pulse pa sa liver? Mabilis, no? Very,
Yes, heat.
no? Tapos pulang-pula yung tongue. And then mas mapula yung sa side. Tapos nakaangat, no? Oo. So, that's a sign of heat talaga. So, ngayon, ano mo na? Like, what happened? Katulad nung isa kong pasyente, nabuntis yung kapatid niya, ang bumuntis husband niya.
Oh.
Yes. So, punta na siya saan-saan, wala. Tapos biglang umiyak. Sabi niya, you're the first one who asked me that kind of question. So, iyakan session. Sabi ko, ano pa magagawa mo? Nangyari na, di ba?
Naging therapist ka pa.
Oo. I-release mo na lang. Accept it. You'll feel better. Kasi she was thinking of suing. Sabi ko, definitely you will win.
Yes.
And then what will it give you after, and that's your sister. Oo. Okay. Now, ito naman, bitter taste in the morning, then insomnia.
Heart fire.
Yeah, ito yon.
Yeah.
Ibig sabihin, if hindi ka nakatulog the night before, may bitter taste ka sa morning. Pero hindi siya constant. Like, pag nakatulog ka naman ng maganda, walang bitter taste. Lack of taste sensation. Ay, wow, this is something that should never happen to us, no?
Spleen deficiency.
Yeah, and also stomach. They always go together, spleen and stomach. Okay. Sour vomit.
Invasion of stomach by the liver.
So, yeah. Bitter vomit.
Liver and gallbladder.
Yes. Watery, clear and watery vomit.
Hole in the stomach with fluid retention.
Okay. Soon after eating, nag-vomit ka.
It's a heat pattern.
Stomach heat, right? May heat siya. Nag-vomit ka, mabigla, tapos loud noise. Na-embarrass ka.
Full heat.
Okay, full pattern. Slow vomiting incoming with weak noise. Poise na poise yung noise. Yung pagsuka mo.
Empty.
Yes. Yung yung pain na aggravate after ka nag-bowel movement.
It's an empty pattern.
Empty pattern. Nag-ameliorate yung condition after bowel movement.
It's a full.
Yes. Okay. Sa mga elderly, may constipate, or sa mga women after childbirth, I'm sure you will encounter patients like this, no? Sabihin nila, ay, ganun.
It's a blood deficiency.
Very good. So, you don't treat constipation by detoxifying. Anong ito-toxify mo? Oh, deficient na nga yan. You don't only detoxify pag excess. So you don't detoxify everyone. Kaya lalong manghihina yan.
Yes,
Diba?
deficient.
So the cause is blood deficiency. So how will you know? How will you check? Mom tricks.
The pulse.
What else?
Sa tongue.
Yeah, see?
If it's pain.
Importante yung tongue. Kaya dapat you should start practicing na. Difficulty in performing bowel movement.
Liver chi stagnation.
Okay. Constipation, tapos yung stools mo small and dry. Parang sa goat.
Liver chi and heat in the intestines.
Okay. Constipation, tapos may abdominal pain.
Internal cold, which may be full or empty.
Yeah, very good. Full or empty. Basta cold. Pwedeng full, pwedeng empty. So, tingnan nyo yung cold. Masakit ang cold, ha? Yeah? Grabe yung pain pag cold. Yeah, I have someone. Ano pa naman yun? Ay, tibala na. But anyway, ano siya, ang daming kinain niya. May mga shakes, puro mga cakes, tapos basta puro malalamig.
Lahat
Pag
cold.
uwi niya, ang sakit-sakit ng tiyan, hindi siya makadumi. Pero pinilit niyang magpurga. Masakit pa din. So, Moxa. Diba? Ren 12. Now,
Usually, daksan yung area sa abdomen. Sa abdomen area. Mamoksa.
lower, doon ka sa ano, okay, you can moxa, saan ba yung lower part? Okay, ako I would usually moxa.
In Puson area.
No, stomach 25. Okay, because that's the front move of the large intestine. Okay. Dry stools, dry mouth, desire to drink small sips.
Yin deficiency, usually of kidney or the stomach.
Okay. Alternating constipation and diarrhea.
Liver chi stagnation invading the spleen.
Very good. Chronic diarrhea.
Spleen yang deficiency or kidney yang deficiency.
Ganyan yung partner talaga yan, no? One
Spleen
can
and kidney.
yeah. Spleen yang and kidney yang. Next. Cockscrow diarrhea.
Kidney yang deficiency.
Very good. By the way, bakit 5 a.m.?
Yun-
Alam mo yan. Okay, let me remind you. 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Anong time dyan na optimum yung that's kidney, di ba? Ngayon, pinakamahina ang kidney 5 a.m. So, pag mahina na yung kidney mo, tapos mahina pa yung spleen mo, dudumi ka by that time.
It's 5 to 7.
Yeah, 5 to 7.
5 to 7.
Loose stools, undigested food.
Spleen chi deficiency.
Or spleen yang deficiency. No? Pero spleen chi deficiency pa lang meron na. Diarrhea with mucus.
Dampness in the intestines.
Okay. Diarrhea with mucus and blood. Tapos splashing blood pa. Sa inodoro, nag-splash talaga siya. Ayun.
Damp heat in the intestines.
Okay. So with matching splashing effect. Okay, burning, tignan nyo, foul-smelling stools, burning sensation in the anus, diarrhea.
Heat.
Yeah. Damp heat in the intestines. Borborygmi, plural for borborygmus, with abdominal distension, without loose stools.
Liver chi stagnation.
Tignan nyo, ang dami talaga ng liver chi stagnation, di ba?
Yes.
Alam mo, gagawin mo sa ear, gamitin mo yung 4 points for liver excess. Borborygmi with loose stools.
Spleen deficiency.
Okay. Enuresis or incontinence.
Kidney deficiency.
Okay. Pain during urination.
Damp heat in the bladder.
Pale urine. Always pale.
Cold pattern usually of the bladder and kidney.
Okay. Ano ba normal kulay ng urine?
Light yellow.
Okay. Amber. Yeah.
Amber.
Dark urine.
Heat pattern.
Turbid urine.
Dampness in the bladder.
Ay, natanggal. Sorry. Bakit nawala? Okay. Wala. Mukha ko yung lumabas. Okay, do you have it na?
Yes.
Okay. What was the question? What is the dampness, blood.
Dampness in the bladder.
Frequent copious urine.
Kidney yang deficiency.
Scanty dark urine.
Kidney yin deficiency.
Di ba? Alam na alam. So imagine, nakita mo yung tongue. O balik tayo sa tongue kasi expert kayo sa tongue. Nakita mo yung tongue niya. Lang coating. Tapos medyo may mga cracks na sa likod. Okay? So you ask, how is your urine? Is it scanty and dark? O, diba? First, so sometimes the patient will not tell you because he or she might not think it's related. No. First, desire to drink in small sips.
Yin deficiency, usually the stomach and kidney.
Okay. Thirst, no desire to drink.
Damp heat.
Desire to drink cold liquids.
Heat pattern.
Okay. Warm liquids.
Cold pattern.
Chronic tiredness, desire to lie down, poor appetite, loose stools.
Spleen chi or spleen yang deficiency.
Okay, very good. Chronic tiredness, backache, lassitude, feeling of cold, depression, frequent urination.
A kidney yang deficiency.
Very good. Chronic tiredness, weak voice, propensity to catch colds.
Lung qi deficiency. If there's cold symptoms, it's due to lung yang deficiency.
Okay, very good. Chronic tiredness, feeling of heaviness of the body, muzziness of the mind.
Dampness retention.
Very good. Chronic tiredness, anxiety, tenseness, wiry pulse.
Liver qi stagnation.
Recent onset headache, short duration.
Headache from exterior, attack of wind cold.
Okay. Gradual onset headache.
Interior type.
Okay. What factors to consider when you have a headache?
Onset, the time, the location, the character of pain and condition.
Very good. Pain is like hurting the brain.
Kidney deficiency.
Diba? Distending headache, throbbing headache,
Liver yang rising.
rising. Boring, like a nail in a small point, yung headache niya.
Blood stasis.
And pray hard that it's not cancer, no? Mabuti pa tuloy-tuloy mo na hanggang mabago yung kulay. Okay. Headache, heavy feeling of muzziness.
Dampness.
Headache with aversion to wind or cold.
Exterior invasion.
Okay. Headache aggravated by fatigue, improved with rest.
Qi deficiency.
Headache aggravated by emotional tension.
Liver yang rising.
Dizziness with throbbing headache.
Liver yang rising.
Paulit-ulit, di ba? Memorize na natin. Oh. So, how will you know na yung treatment mo tama? Do not always believe the patient okay na siya. You should double check using the
pulse.
very good. Dizziness with feeling of heaviness, muzziness in the head.
Phlegm obstructing the head and preventing the clear yang from ascending to the head.
Okay. Slight dizziness aggravated when tired.
Blood deficiency.
Acute onset severe pain in the cheeks or jaw, face feels hot with palpitation, headache, sore throat, aversion to cold fever.
Invasion of wind heat.
Okay, ito naman runny nose. Mainit yung dorsum ng hands. You know where the dorsum is? No, likod. Sa likod ng palm. The dorsum. So what is
Invasion of wind cold.
really cold? See? Hawakan mo yung dorsum ng hand.
Yes.
Diba? Ay, okay. Oo. So kasi ay tama, wind cold invasion. Bleeding gums, tiredness, poor appetite, loose stools.
Deficient spleen qi not holding the blood.
Okay. This is also spleen qi deficiency. Inflamed, bleeding gums, feeling of thirst, a feeling of heat and thirst.
Stomach full heat.
Okay, full heat, stomach. Bleeding gums, dry mouth, desire to drink in small sips.
Stomach empty heat.
Okay, empty heat. Frequent mouth ulcers.
Condition.
Full or empty?
Full condition.
Ulcers, mouth ulcers come and go.
Empty condition.
Good. Very painful, red-rimmed ulcers on gums.
Full heat in the stomach.
Okay, wait lang. Pahinga muna tayo. Ako, wait lang talaga. Good PM. Ay, wala ako na yun. Wait lang. Wait lang po. Sayang. Ano sana? Available ba daw tomorrow? Sabi ko na nga wala. Okay. Ay, sorry. Naka-on. Sorry.
Okay daw.
I'm so sorry. Allah. Delete. Okay. Sayang. Okay. Mouth ulcers on the tip of the tongue.
Heart fire or heart empty heat.
Okay. Body pain, numbness, sudden onset with aversion to cold and fever.
Exterior wind invasion.
Very good. Feeling ache all over with feeling of tiredness.
Chi and blood deficiency.
Di ba may mga pasyente ganon? Acupuncture ka agad. Dull pain in women after childbirth. So this is an old question.
Blood deficiency.
Dull ache in the muscle, especially of limbs, tapos feeling of heaviness. Actually, heavy talaga.
Dampness obstructing the muscles.
Yes. Kaya walk. No? Wandering pain from joint to joint.
It's wind.
Yes. Fixed and very painful joint.
Cold.
Yeah. Very painful. Very.
Very painful.
Iba talaga, even the itsura niya. No? So you do moxa or yeah. Fixed swelling joints, a swollen joint with numbness.
Dampness.
May redness.
Damp heat.
Swelling. You see, nakita nyo, swelling with redness, damp heat.
Damp heat.
Severe stabbing pain with rigidity.
Blood stasis.
Paulit-ulit, diba? Okay. Continuous body pain and numbness with backache, better with rest.
Kidney deficiency.
Okay, should be deficiency.
See.
Recent onset, severe with stiffness ng body pain.
Sprain on back causing blood stasis.
Okay. Boring pain with inability to turn the wrist. The waist pala, the waist.
Waist. Blood stasis.
Very good. Di ba ulit-ulit lang to hanggang sa tumatak na sa utak natin. Chest and abdominal pain accompanied by cough with yellow sputum.
Lung heat.
So ano yung keyword dito? Yellow sputum. Feeling of distension of the hypochondria.
Liver chi stagnation.
Dull chest and abdominal pain alleviated by eating.
Empty.
Yes. Aggravated by eating.
Full type.
Relieved by bowel movement.
Full. In nature.
Aggravated by bowel movement.
Empty nature.
More tingling than numbness, especially in women.
Blood deficiencies.
Elderly.
Wind.
Kaya palipat. Numbness with feeling of heaviness.
Phlegm.
Numbness with swelling in the legs.
Dampness or damp heat.
Pain wandering from joint to joint, paulit-ulit.
It's wind.
Severe pain in one joint.
Cold.
Dull ache sa joint pain niya with swelling and heaviness.
Dampness.
With redness and heaviness, swelling.
Damp heat.
Diba? Cold hands with palpitations and dizziness.
Heart blood deficiency.
Wait lang ha. When daw ako babalik? Ay, sorry. When ako available. Saturday na lang. Sorry. Hanap buhay muna. Okay, cold hands with palpitations and dizziness.
Heart blood
Easily.
deficiency.
Kaya mag-aaral tayo lahat, magiging busy kayo. Totoo
Heart
lang.
blood
Masalamat
deficiency.
ako. Thank you. Hirap ng buhay ngayon. O, diba? Okay. Heart blood deficiency. Cold fingers and toes. Ito.
Liver chi stagnation.
Galing. Wala pang mali ah. Difficulty in
Then,
falling asleep.
heart blood deficiency.
Wow, alam na alam. Pwede ding ano, basta blood deficiency. So you have to correlate. Is it heart, spleen, or liver? So pag spleen,
If there's menstruation, liver
Liver.
yun, liver.
Galing talaga. Alam mo, parang ready ka na talaga
Hindi
mag-run.
pa.
Waking up many times at night.
Kailangan ko memorize.
Sino pa ba nandyan? Ay, parang sinolo mo na lahat.
Madam.
Wait lang. Yung iba parang tahimik. Ewan ko na kasi mangot.
Yung madam.
Oh, Madam M is
Yeah.
here. I see you. Si Doc She is not
Pagod
driving
lang.
home. Okay. Pwede na. Let's talk to Doc She. Dito sumasagot kanina pa. Ayaw nga sumagot. Baka may tampo. Okay. We will call. Ay, andyan ba? Okay. Let's call Madam M. I hope your internet, Madam M, is okay.
Yes, hindi na ako gumagalaw para para lang maging okay siya.
Oo. Ang galing ni ano, no? Do you agree? Ang galing ni Ma'am Trix. Parang
No.
ayaw ko na tuloy i-continue.
Walang pa.
Sige. Mas excited na ako sa next, sa pattern differentiation.
10% pa lang ako.
Ay, talaga. Yun pa yung 10% mo. Okay. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Hindi ko na
Thank
malaya.
you,
Ang dami mo na palang nasagot. Okay. Parang
Thank you, Doc.
100. Thank you so much. I'm proud of you. All of
Thank
you.
you.
Yung iba tamad lang talaga magsagot. Okay.
Hindi, kaya nila yan.
O, sige. Madam M, pakita mo. Abutin
Yes,
mo
Doc.
na ng 250. Okay. Waking up many times at night.
177 lang yan, Doc.
Hanggang modules, ano na,
177 lang yan, Doc.
We will go to the next one. Sige. Waking up many times at night.
Heart and kidney and deficiency with empty heat. Ay, mali. Deficiency of yin may be heart, liver, or kidney.
Okay. Okay. Waking up frequently, excessive dreams, tapos night sweat, nagpa-palpitate.
Heart and kidney and deficiency with empty heat.
Wow, kompleto. Magkatabi talaga, ano talaga si heart and kidney. Dream disturbed sleep.
Liver fire or heart fire.
Okay, very good. Sleepiness. Okay. Wait, let me see. Okay, nakita mo may dream disturbed sleep siya. With regards to taste, what are you going to ask to differentiate?
Kung bitter yung taste niya.
Pareho silang bitter, di ba? Ano pakakaiba? Liver fire, bitter taste. Heart fire,
No.
bitter taste.
Liver fire, heart fire. Magkakatalo sa sa tongue sa pulse diagnosis. Though pareho nga lang.
Actually,
Pareho.
lalakas din si fire, si heart. No? Si liver fire, heart fire. With regards to, sabi mo bitter, anong
Pareho
pagkakaiba?
din silang rapid.
No. Pag liver fire, yung bitter taste niya, constant,
Magkakaiba.
yeah, kahit waking hours niya bitter. Ang heart fire, pag hindi lang siya nakatulog the night before. Okay? Sleepiness after eating. Ito, common to. Actually, sino dito nakaka-relate? Huwag na mahiya.
Daw.
Baka may MSG lang yung kinain.
Yeah. MSG, oo nga. Anong sagot nyo? Madam M?
Nawala na lang.
Nawala na? Ano nangyari?
Slim chi
Ayan.
buaya lang.
Chi,
Buaya modes.
Okay. Yung ulo lang niya pinapawisan.
Hindi naman. Slim chi deficiency.
Ano daw?
Spleen to stomach or damp heat. Heat in the stomach or damp heat.
Okay, stomach heat or damp heat in general. Okay, whole body nagsisweat. Hello? Whole body nagsusweat.
Wala siya.
Nawala na naman. Madam M? Naku, kala ko ba pinabago na niya yung internet ano niya? Okay, let's call on... Ay, ano ba nangyari?
Unmute. Lung chi deficiency po.
Okay. Sige. Nakaka-relate kayo?
Whole body.
Kasi ako
Hindi pa po.
nakaka-relate. Nagsusweat ka araw lang during the day.
Yang deficiency.
Very good. Gabi lang.
Yin deficiency.
Sudden onset tinnitus.
Full condition, liver fire, liver young rising, or liver wind.
Galing. Gradual onset tinnitus.
Empty condition, usually kidney deficiency.
Tinanong ko na to last time, di ba? Tinnitus, the noise is aggravated by pressing on the ears.
Full condition po.
Actually, I feel better when I know I have no tinnitus. It just is one time we had this very loud music. So, I felt better when I pressed it. So that means, ano condition ko?
Full condition.
Empty.
Empty, baliktad.
Yeah. Loud,
Alleviated.
high-pitched noise like a whistle.
Liver young, liver fire, liver wind rising.
Galing. Memorize. Sino ba nakaka-relate dito? May nagwi-whistle.
Ay, hindi. Ako may tinnitus ako eh.
Ito, gusto nyo ba?
Ako, Dok, ang bata ko pa, pero may Meniere's disease na ako.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ito naman,
So, usually-
low-pitched yung noise like rushing water.
Kidney deficiency.
Sudden onset deafness, bigla ka nabingi.
Full condition, liver fire, liver young rising, and liver wind.
So parang tinnitus din or tinnitus, no? Parang magkaano lang sila magkamag-anak. Deafness, gradual onset.
Empty condition, kidney deficiency, heart blood, chi of the upper burner, or young chi.
Okay. Yung eyes naman, may pain, swelling, may redness.
Invasion of eye channels by exterior or wind heat or exterior fire, liver fire.
Interior liver fire.
Ay, interior pala.
Blurred vision floaters.
Deficiency of liver blood, liver yin, or kidney yin.
Very good. Feeling cold and hot.
Intense feeling of cold and
Cold pala.
shiver.
Full cold. Sorry.
Full cold. Intense feeling of cold and shivers. Body feels cold and hard to touch. Pain, full pulse, sudden onset.
Okay. Empty cold.
Mild, persistent cold or tendency to feeling cold. Body feels mildly cold to touch, no pain, weak pulse, slow gradual onset.
Okay. No pain. Full cold in the uterus.
Lower abdomen feels cold.
Young deficiency of the heart and or lung.
Cold, sweaty hands.
Bakit magkatabi si heart and lungs? Bakit pag nag-usapan heart, usapin mo rin, pag hindi, kinusapan mo rin yung lung. Because they belong to the
Ano siya eh,
ancestral chi, remember?
ancestral chi. Governing chi pala yung lang po eh.
Yeah. Kidney yang deficiency, anong nararamdaman?
Cold legs, knees, feet, and back.
See? Hawakan nyo yung legs, yung knees, feet, and back. Okay? So if you have a patient complaining of cold, check mo, no? Lalo na pag nagbabaksyo ka. Hawakan mo muna. Ang init-init ay mali pala yung... So baguhin mo yung points mo. Mali. Okay. Kaya ang magandang assessment natin would be the pulse. And you have to teach the patient that. Para maraming mga pasyente, hanapin nila yung mga ganun na therapists. Diba?
Yes.
Are you willing to be
Yes.
the... Yeah. We're serious about this. Let's try
Yes.
to upgrade our skills. It's about time. Kawawa naman ng mga people of... Kasi baka mamaya darating yung time, mga AI na. Bago mag-take over ang mga AI, baka marunong na mag-pulse
Nako.
type. Naku, wala na tayong tayo. So, namnamin na natin lahat. Galingan na natin. Diba? Malay nyo, si Ma'am
Huwag
Trix.
naman sa...
Kamukha pa
Oo.
ni Ma'am Trix yung AI. So, paano na lang?
Kamukha ni Sisi.
Okay. Cheese stagnation.
Cold hands and feet, especially the fingers.
Yeah. Cold fingers and toes. Feeling of heat in the afternoon or evening. May mga pasyente ganun. Bakit ba mainit na pakiramdam ko pagdating ng hapon? Ano yun?
Ako yan, Dok. Empty heat.
Ikaw pala yun. Okay. Hindi, meron pang
Kaya
isa.
ngayon,
Low-grade fever, getting worse in the afternoon, occurring only in the afternoon.
iron deficiency.
Very good. Feeling of heat in diseases of exterior origin with body emanating heat.
Pathogenic factor has entered the interior.
Yeah. May mga pasyente gano'n, maramdaman mo talaga lumalabas yung init. Lalo na pag inano mo, ano ba to, yung ulo. Oo. Feel na feel mo talaga yung init lumalabas. Okay, impotence, feeling cold, backache, weakness, dizziness, tinnitus, poor memory, abundant clear urine.
Kidney yang deficiency.
Okay. Impotence, eating, heaviness in scrotum, urethral discharge, sticky yellow tongue coating.
Damp heat in the liver channel.
Okay, tingnan nyo. Sa tongue pa lang kita mo na, no? Sticky yellow coating. So, kung wala ka alam sa tongue. Ngayon, kung lahat ng pasyente hanapin na, ay, bakit hindi ka marunong magbasa ng tongue? Tsaka bakit hindi nagbago yung pulso ko? Yung pala, ang nag-aaral pala, no? Paano na lang? Diba? So, let's do it. Let's give ourselves 1 year. We'll be good.
Yes.
Okay. Lack of libido in men.
Oh my. Deficiency of qi or yang of the kidneys. Liver, qi, stagnation, deficiency of spleen, heart, or lungs.
Yeah. So, mata-turn off talaga yan si Madam M. Ayaw niya ng ganito.
Hindi
Okay.
pwede.
Okay. Premature ejaculation.
Kidney qi not firm.
Very good.
Heart qi deficiency, heart blood deficiency.
Okay. Inability to reach orgasm, woman.
Kidney yang or heart deficiency, particularly of heart yang and the minister fire.
Definitely, you don't have kidney yang deficiency, no?
I don't.
Excessive sexual desire.
Ito meron ako. Fire of the liver
Okay.
or heart,
Grabe.
empty heat deriving from kidney yin deficiency.
Okay. Ramdam na ramdam mo. Okay. Tingnan mo, yeah, liver fire or heart fire, empty heat from kidney yin. Period arrives early. Repeat na to.
Heart, okay. Heart in blood, Qi deficiency.
No heart in blood. May heart ba sa...
Heat, sorry po. Heat
Okay.
in blood.
Period always late.
Blood deficiency, blood or cold stasis.
Okay. Irregular periods.
Stagnation of liver or blood, spleen Qi deficiency.
Okay. Heavy blood loss.
Heat in the blood or Qi deficiency.
Scanty periods.
Blood deficiency, stagnation of blood or cold.
Okay. Dark red or bright red. Menstrual blood.
Heat in the blood.
Pale color ng pale menstrual blood.
Blood deficiency.
Congealed blood with clots.
Stasis of blood or cold.
Pain before the periods.
Stagnation of Qi or blood.
Pain after the period.
Blood deficiency.
Yellow discharge.
Heat usually in the lower jaw.
Okay. Red and white discharge.
Damp heat.
Watery discharge na leukorrhea.
Cold damp.
Thick discharge.
Damp heat.
Infertility.
Blood or kidney essence deficiency. Damp heat in the lower jaw or stasis of blood in the uterus.
Okay. So if you have a patient na may ganito, so these are the possible patterns, no?
Mhm. Wow.
Vomiting during pregnancy.
Stomach and penetrating vessel or the trunk vessel deficiency.
Okay. We're good. Thank you so much for joining. Natapos din.
Natapos